Before we dive in, remember, these tools are incredibly powerful. Use them ethically and legally. This video is for educational purposes only. We're not responsible for misuse. The dark web can be dangerous, but these tools can help with good, like finding missing persons or tracking criminals. Today, I'll show you 10 free OSINT tools that can uncover almost anything on the dark web. We'll go step by step through each one, so you'll know exactly how they work. Let's get started. First up is Ahmia, often called the Google of the dark web. It's a specialized search engine designed specifically for the hidden Tor network, where regular search engines like Google or Bing simply can't reach. Unlike mainstream search engines, Ahmia indexes .onion sites. These are unique websites that exist only on the Tor network. These sites include everything from discussion forums and whistleblower platforms to underground marketplaces and private blogs, all of which are inaccessible through the regular internet. Ahmia acts as your gateway to this hidden world, allowing you to search for keywords, usernames, aliases, or even specific topics. This makes it much easier to navigate the vast and often confusing landscape of the dark web. Cybersecurity professionals, journalists, and investigators rely on Ahmia to track malware campaigns, search for missing persons, or monitor criminal chatter. It's a vital tool for anyone conducting research or investigations in the digital underground. One of Ahmia's standout features is its commitment to safety. It actively filters out abusive, illegal, or harmful material, helping to create a safer browsing experience for users who want to avoid stumbling onto disturbing content. To use Ahmia, you simply access it through your regular browser. When you find an Onion link you want to visit, you then open it using the Tor browser, which keeps your identity and activity private. Ahmia is completely free to use and features a clean, user-friendly interface. This makes it accessible not just to experts but also to beginners who are curious about exploring the dark web safely and responsibly. Whether you're a seasoned investigator, a cybersecurity analyst, or just starting out, Ahmia helps you cut through the noise and find valuable information that would otherwise remain hidden. Use it to uncover leads, track down sources, or discover new communities and resources that are invisible to the surface web. For anyone serious about digital investigations or research on the dark web, Ahmia is the essential starting point, a powerful tool to illuminate the hidden corners of the internet. Next up, we have OnionLand Search, a tool that stands out in the world of dark web exploration. OnionLand is often called the dark web's specialized people finder, and for good reason. While Ahmia casts a wide net across the dark web, OnionLand takes a more focused approach. It zeroes in on personal pages, contact details, and specific services that are often buried deep within hidden sites. What sets OnionLand apart is its ability to categorize content. This makes it much easier to hunt for usernames, emails, or even niche services that might otherwise be missed in a broader search. Simply plug in a username or email, and OnionLand will crawl through forums, marketplaces, and personal pages to find any matches. It's like having a digital detective working for you around the clock. You can even combine searches, such as entering both a username and a keyword, to narrow down results and connect the dots between different online identities or activities. For open source intelligence, or OSINT, OnionLand is a goldmine. It helps you link online personas to hidden activities, uncovering connections that might otherwise remain invisible. Best of all, OnionLand is completely free to use. This means you can add another powerful layer to your investigation without any extra cost. Remember, it's smart not to rely on just one search engine. Using both Ahmia and OnionLand together dramatically boosts your chances of finding valuable information, as each tool uncovers different corners of the dark web. Sometimes your searches might come up empty, but all it takes is one hit, a single match, to change the entire direction of your investigation. For anyone serious about digital investigations, OnionLand is a must-have tool in your arsenal. It opens doors to information that would otherwise stay hidden, making your research more thorough and effective. Darksearch.io stands out as the most user-friendly dark web search engine available today. Unlike many other tools that can feel intimidating or overly technical, Darksearch.io is designed with simplicity in mind, making it approachable for both beginners and experienced investigators alike. Its clean, minimalistic interface closely resembles that of a regular search engine like Google, so you don't have to learn a whole new system. But beneath this familiar look, It's specifically built to help you safely explore the hidden corners of the dark web. With darksearch.io, you can search directly from your normal browser. No need for complicated setups or special software. Instantly, you'll get onion links, each accompanied by clear descriptions, so you know exactly what you're clicking on. The search results load quickly, making it ideal for anyone who needs to check if leaked data, sensitive information, or a person of interest appears on the dark web. This speed is crucial for journalists, cybersecurity professionals, and even everyday users who value efficiency. For those who want to dig deeper, darksearch.io supports advanced search operators. You can filter results by site, search for exact phrases, or narrow down your queries to find precisely what you need, saving valuable time and effort. By making dark web intelligence accessible to everyone, darksearch.io truly democratizes this powerful resource. Now anyone with an internet connection can tap into information that was once hidden behind layers of complexity. Whether you're a journalist tracking a breaking story, a researcher gathering data, or simply a curious individual wanting to learn more, darksearch.io is a powerful free tool that puts the dark web within your reach. It's living proof that OSINT tools are evolving, becoming not only more powerful, but also easier for everyone to use. With platforms like darksearch.io, the future of online investigation is brighter and more accessible than ever. Sometimes you want to browse, not search. That's where TorLinks comes in. It's a curated directory of active onion sites organized by category, like financial services, forums, and more. TorLinks helps you get a lay of the land, especially when sites are constantly changing. Go straight to the category you need, no guessing search terms. Discover niche forums and communities you'd never find through search engines. It's a great way to spark new investigative ideas and find hidden resources. Use TorLinks alongside search engines for a two-pronged approach. It brings structure to the chaos of the dark web. Every investigator should have it bookmarked. For the deepest searches, Haystak is your tool. It claims to index over 1.5 billion .onion pages, more than any other search engine. Haystak is perfect for finding old, obscure, or buried information, like data breach details from years ago. Its massive index means you're more likely to find what others miss. The free version is powerful enough for most OSINT tasks. Be prepared to sift through lots of results. Your investigative skills matter here. When you need to be sure you've checked every corner, use Haystak. It's the heavy hitter for deep dark web searches. Not Evil is the privacy-first search engine for the dark web. No tracking, no ads, no logging, just pure, anonymous searching. It's essential for journalists, activists, or anyone needing maximum privacy. Use it in the Tor browser for near-invisible searches. Its simple interface keeps things focused and safe. Search for sensitive terms without fear of being traced. While its index isn't the largest, its results are highly relevant. Not Evil proves you don't have to sacrifice privacy for information. Now for the pros. Recon-ng is a full web reconnaissance framework. It's a command-line tool with modules for automating information gathering, including dark web searches. Start with a domain, username, or email, then load modules to find related data. Automate searches across multiple sources, saving hours of manual work. Chain modules together to build a complete intelligence report. It takes effort to learn, but the power and automation are unmatched. For serious investigators, Recon-ng is a must-have. It's what separates amateurs from professionals. If you want automation without the command line, SpiderFoot is your answer. It integrates with over 200 data sources, including the dark web. Enter a target, IP, domain, email, or username, and SpiderFoot does the rest. It finds breaches, leaked credentials, and dark web mentions in minutes. Results are visualized in interactive graphs, showing connections at a glance. The open-source version is free and powerful. Perfect for threat intelligence or building a comprehensive profile. It's like having a 24/7 reconnaissance team. ExifTool isn't for searching. It's for analyzing what you find. Every digital file contains hidden metadata, camera model, timestamps, even GPS coordinates. Run a file through ExifTool to extract this data and uncover hidden clues. It's a command-line utility, but incredibly powerful and supports many file types. Journalists and investigators use it to verify authenticity and link files to sources. Always check files you download. One piece of metadata can crack a case. ExifTool is free, simple, and essential for digital forensics. Never underestimate the power of hidden data. Have I been Pwned? HIBP is your personal dark web alarm. Check if your email or password has been exposed in a data breach, many sourced from the dark web. Enter your email to see every known breach you've been part of. Organizations can check entire domains for compromised accounts. Investigators can use HIBP to see a target's breach history and online footprint. Sign up for alerts. Get notified if your credentials appear in a new breach. It's a vital defensive tool and a window into the scale of dark web data trading. Free, simple, and everyone should use it. Go check your email. You might be surprised. That's 10 powerful, free OSINT tools for the dark web. Use them legally and ethically. This is for education and protection, not harm. Navigating the digital world is a modern superpower. Use it wisely. Whether you're in cybersecurity, journalism, or just curious, these tools give you an edge. If you enjoyed this, hit like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there.